Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx T15 screwdriver. Start by unplugging your Dyson V15 to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the screws on the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws, taking note of their locations for reassembly later. You should find 3 screws securing the bottom cover. Set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the bottom cover off the vacuum. This will expose the internal components, including the motor. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum to ensure optimal performance. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean out the inner compartment. Now, locate the motor assembly. You'll see additional screws holding the motor in place, often secured with Torx screws. Use your Torx T15 screwdriver to remove these screws. If you encounter difficulty, remember to apply gentle pressure and avoid stripping the screws. After removing the screws, gently pull the motor out from its housing. Be cautious of any wiring connected to the motor. Disconnect these wires by gently pulling the connectors apart. Take your time with this step, as rushing can lead to damage. With the old motor removed, take your new motor and align it with the housing. Connect the wires back to their respective connectors, ensuring a secure fit. If you're unsure about the connections, refer to the manual that came with your new motor. Once the new motor is in place, secure it with the Torx screws you removed earlier. Tighten them carefully to avoid over-tightening, which could damage the motor housing. Now, it's time to reattach the bottom cover. Align it properly and secure it with the Phillips screws, ensuring everything is snug. Before powering on your vacuum, take a moment to inspect your work. Ensure there are no loose screws or wires. If everything looks good, plug in your Dyson V15 and test it out. Listen for any unusual sounds that may indicate a problem. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our service includes a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best care for your Dyson. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair work begins. No calls, no travel, just quality service at your convenience. In conclusion, changing the motor on your Dyson V15 can be a straightforward task with the right tools and guidance. Regular maintenance and cleaning will prolong the life of your vacuum and keep it running efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.